Welcome to the presentation of the EPC4SES project. What is this project about? We found out that the information from the energy performance certification process for buildings is delivering quite useful information for conducting energy consulting, model predictive control and other services which could reduce the energy demand of buildings. And in this poster we are presenting several possibilities, and we are also asking you to visit our website rating the use cases. But let's try from the start. When compiling the energy performance certificate, normally software is used, and within that software files are produced which then can be used as an input for a digital twin. And this is shown in the slide here, the top right side. There are different ways, of course, to get that XML files or JSON files. And there are, of course, on the other side, different possibilities to exploit those files, to use that files in applications. The digital twin is consisting of some model, a building model. In our case, it's some capacity and resistance model. And of course, it needs a measurement of the actual temperature, and it needs a forecast for the temperature, outside temperature, and solar irradiation. On the top of the poster, you can find a description of the pilots. There are two sorts of pilots, one focusing on heat and one focusing on power. For the heat, there is a district heating network connected, and the pilots are piloting the model predictive control for the building energy management, but with a view on the network system. On the right side, you see some power-oriented use cases, power-oriented pilots. And here, what is the peculiarity is that the pilot in the Vienna region are connecting two sectors: power, which means the charging of the electric vehicles, and the electric power demand for heat pumps. And the last pilot for Rota, Spain, here we have the peculiarity that we do have rather cooling than heating. And last but not least, you see the partners. We have partners from Austria, two from Germany, one from Spain, one from Norway, and we have additionally one observer from Norway. We have also Salzburg University of Applied Sciences in the consortium, so we can evaluate the outcome of these pilots. Many thanks for listening. Bye. And nice to get your questions. We're happy to answer them.